Hi, Rick here from Marionville RC, DJI dealer from the UK and RC specialist for over 45 years. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your new Osmo Action into the action. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and support the channel and give me the power to bring you more videos. Now it's going into a firmware update. To keep the sort of best performance, you're going to have to periodically update the firmware. So you do this through this app, as you can see. So we want to just click on that, download the firmware. And then install the firmware. Nope, see it's powered off again. Put that back on. Oh, or did I just turn that off? Hang on. Seems to power down quite quickly when you're not using it, but I'm sure we can change that in the settings. Nope. We are definitely powered on and right next to it. There we go. Okay, accept. Well, if you experience this issue when setting up, then you know what to do. So sometimes it's not a bad thing when it doesn't go to plan. Right, what it's wanting to do is it wants to be plugged in, so it definitely has power during the update. Now we need to put in an SD card. Okay, so we're going to need an SD card. This is just for the firmware to load onto. It's obviously not going to go directly onto the camera itself. I'm going to unplug that. It just seems a bit awkward to get the SD card in. Just notice so you can see that. Oh, we're doing well here. There it is, we've got it in. Probably not a bad idea to actually remove the door for this bit. Card speed too low, yeah. Right, card speed's definitely not too low because it's a good one. I'm sure this is just the usual little fancies of early DJI stuff. On there you'll get a little list as well of all the different things that's actually on the update, so you're going to periodically get them. You'll get the call whether you want to actually update them or not. So it's also giving you a approximate update time, and we'll just let that run. And there we go, we are done. And we are on. Job's a good one. Update successful. Boom. Well, I hope you like my video on getting your new Osmo Action into the action. If you'd like to support my channel, you can always like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit the little bell icon, and every time I post up a new video you will get notified. Down in the comments you'll also find a link to purchase the Osmo Action direct from my website if you're in the UK or the EU. If not, there's an affiliate link for the DJI website. Costs nothing to you, but I get a small commission which helps support the channel and keep the videos coming. And I will see you on the next video. So we've got our GoPro, we've got our battery, and we've got our charging cable. First thing we need to do is get the GoPro out of its case. Kind of comes out very similar to the can't believe I just said all that.
Twice GoPro.
GoPro. Oh, that's what you're on about.
GoPro?
Yeah. I've got the voice activation activated. We can just say switch screen. Switch screen. You. Switch. Switch screen. Oh, for f***'s sake.
Dude doesn't understand.
No, I've probably turned off voice activation or something stupid like that. No, voice activation's on. Off. On. Have I forgot the switch? Switch screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. Now I can't even remember what the command is. Oh, for goodness sake. Voice control. Command list. Start recording. Screen switch. You, no, it doesn't because I said it.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Screen switch. I said switch screen. Doesn't do it.
Doesn't like it.
No. Right, we'll do that again.